If you guys know me, I like to paint my face when I go hunting because I wear glasses and I can't wear a face mask or my glasses fog up. I've tried about every kind of face paint on the market. These were always neat because you don't have to touch the paint. You can just wipe it on your face. Then there's the old-fashioned camo paint with the mirror, so you don't have to use your side view mirror. But see, got paint, got... Or this one. The problem with all three of those is they are a grease-based face paint. You put them on your face, 3 or 4 hours later, if you wipe your face with your clothes, or it'll stain your clothes. It'll come off on you. What I do is I go to Walmart and I buy this kid's paint. Okay? Get it in like at Halloween they'll sell this, but they sell this year round. It's a water-based face paint, and once it dries, it's dry and it won't smear, won't come off on your clothes, and it's water-based, and it is dirt cheap. Forget what they cost, but next to nothing. And I just use black and green. I don't see any reason to use browns and all those other things. One thing about painting your face, your nose, your chin, your cheeks, all the high points need to go black, and all the crevices, base of your nose, everything needs to be green. So you want to make the dark shadow areas of your face green and the high points of your face black. But Walmart, a couple bucks, and it'll last you all season. This, just a few times, and you can see you're running dry.